In today's video, I'm going to give you 3 tips to have a great looking lawn using only natural products. Now, my other videos have shown you many ways to get rid of weeds using chemicals. Now, all those are safe to do, but some people just don't want to use them and they want it to be 100% natural. Weeds are a problem for any lawn, and when it's a natural one, it's even harder. But fortunately, there are some choices that could really get rid of them and help keep them under control. The first is, of course, mechanical. Now, you can sit and pull weeds if you want, but a faster way is to just use your weed whacker to do your edging, and then also knock off those weeds that are in more open spaces that you can get to. But as you can guess, that's not going to work everywhere, especially when the weeds are in the middle of your lawn. So that brings us to the best way to get rid of them using a natural control, and that's to use vinegar. Now, there's tons of videos and formulas out there that just don't work. And it's because they're not using a strong enough vinegar. Now, many people don't realize that vinegar comes in different concentrations. And in this video that I linked in the upper right-hand corner, I show you how to make your own formula that's inexpensive and it kills the weeds almost every time. And remember, this type of control is non-selective, and that just means it's going to kill any kind of plant that you spray it on. So in an area like this playground, it was perfect because I sprayed these weeds and just 24 hours later they were dead. And you can use this same formula on your lawn as well to kill weeds, but the benefit is if you spray a weed early, even if you kill a little bit of grass, you might prevent that weed from spreading far out and taking over the entire lawn. And if you don't want to mix up your own formula, you can buy a pre-made mix that's vinegar based that I showed here, and this stuff works equally well. You will pay a little bit more money, but you're getting a lot more convenience. Another easy tip to get rid of weeds fast is to mow the lawn more often, but make sure you're bagging every time. If you mulch those clippings into the lawn, you're also going to be mulching those weed seeds. But don't throw those clippings away, just compost them somewhere off the lawn and you'll get rid of your weed seed problem, and you can still use that compost somewhere else. Fertilizing any lawn is important, but when it's a natural one, it plays an even bigger role because you want that grass to grow as healthy as possible to potentially crowd out the weeds. And this is a soy-based fertilizer called Innova. I showed this last year, and the way I use it is kind of a hybrid approach. I do every other fertilization using this natural product, and I've had really good results. And many people just use this stuff exclusively because it's safe to handle and they can use it anytime without any fear of burning their lawn. And the only problem was if you wanted organic insect control or something to build your soil, they didn't have anything else in the Innova line. So the Andersons came up with a brand new lineup this year called Lawn Box. And Lawn Box is a collection of certified and organic products for your lawn that they deliver to you on time when you need them in the exact amount. You can plug in your address and they give you a quote and see if it's something you might want to consider. But there's one big difference compared to other services. You don't actually have to sign up. You can just buy one of the products and try it out and see how it works for you. And it's not just fertilizers, they even have organic grub control, soil building amendments, and other things that can really benefit your lawn. Another way to make your natural lawn look awesome is to overseed it. Now, you'll want to put down seed in the spring or the fall, and I've got videos to cover both. But when you put these new seeds down, you're going to get seedlings that grow, they're young and strong, they're going to fill in bare areas, and they're going to introduce more grass to your lawn that can crowd out weeds, and it will definitely help with the overall appearance and health. My last bonus tip is around watering your lawn. Now, water is natural, but for some people it can be very expensive, but this is an easy, natural way to encourage a lot of growth. Many people think a natural lawn just means letting it do whatever it wants, and it basically will look like a dump. But if you use some simple controls like this, you can really have a great looking space and a good overall appearance without using the products that you might not be comfortable with. So hopefully you liked this video, it gave you some good tips. If you did, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you're not already for more videos coming up. He's still alive. Yep. So I'm going to leave him be and let him do his thing, but this is why you want to be careful whenever you're mowing a lawn, because you really don't know what you're going to find.